Hello everyone, so today's video is going to be very interesting because today I am going to make a kids wallet. So the required things are a single color paper, scissor, gum and few stickers. So first step is to take A4 size color paper and then fold it into half and then again unfold it and fold in this way and repeat the same process on other side. Now take paper from one side and fold it backwards. Now turn it around and fold 1 inch from each side. Apply gum on unfolded edge and stick both the sides together. Now fold the paper in middle and make sure the surface with compartment should be inside and the smooth surface should be upside. Now let's make our lock system. Stick your favorite sticker. Here I am sticking my kitty. You can stick anything. And if you do not have any stickers, you can even doodle some characters. After sticking everything, here is the final look.